Hey everybody, it's your boy Leo. Before I begin, I just want to say thank you to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for another day of life. And got something for y'all. Came up with a recipe. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's been around for a long time, but I boiled a slice of chicken breast, a thin slice, boiled some potatoes, olive oil, and put all that in the blender. You know, put a little bit of olive oil, however much you want. You think it needs to make it to a liquid or a puree. And I'm gonna show you how I did it in this video, okay? And I think it's excellent. A puree coats your stomach, easy to digest. You have your protein and carbs, and check it out.